What we do here is go back.
Hey girls, so this is some new hair, hey, this is some new hair, y'all. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my god. This is Blushing Bundles. So let me just tell you about this hair. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous, darling. This is... how many? This is 18 and 20 inch hair. This is South Indian wavy is what I have in my hair right now. It's hard for me to think of any cons for this hair. The hair itself is so beautiful. And it is so lightweight. It doesn't feel like anything is on my head at all. It's so super full. It's so super thick. It doesn't tangle. I mean, it's just, this is a girl who wears weave. This is a dream come true. Like, I just really, really love it. So, I don't really have anything negative to say about the hair itself. I don't really have anything negative to say at all about the company. I know it's a newer company. They're based out of New York. There were some hiccups with my shipping, but they were really great about taking care of it. They ended up taking 10% off of my order because the hair didn't come when it was originally supposed to arrive. It came like a day or two later than it was supposed to, and they, you know, sent me a really nice email and they took 10% off. I didn't even have to ask, they just did it. And I was like, okay, PayPal, I got 10% back. That's tough. So I really enjoyed their customer service. They were When I first ordered the hair, they emailed me and asked me specifically what kind of wave pattern I was looking for, how I wanted the hair to lay, you know, because when you buy raw hair, you can pretty much customize your bundles and get what you're looking for in that respect, because not all of the wave patterns are the same. So my 18 inch is definitely a bit more curly than the 20. The 20 is on the bottom, so you can kind of see it. The 20 is a little more straight. It's like a looser wave pattern than the 18. The 18 has more of a ringlet sort of curl slash wave, but it is still just absolutely, I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to wear this hair for a very long time. It's one thing, like, you can tell when you have good bundles of hair, that it's going to last you a certain amount of time, and that was really what I was looking for. They are very, very reasonably priced for the hair to be this great of quality. They are very reasonable. My total, I think, was, oh gosh, y'all don't get me the line. It was all of it before they even took 10% off was less than $400. So it was like, and I got 18 and 20 inches. So I want to say that the 20 was somewhere around like $110 or something like that. But, and the 18 was about like $100. So the prices were priced perfectly for the quality of hair that I received. I did color the bundles black because my natural hair, as you can see at the top, it's pretty black. So, I like my hair to be as black as possible. They did send me dark color bundles, and it was very dark. Like when I sewed it in, I just sewed it in without coloring it at all. But then when I took it out, I decided that I wanted it to be a little bit more black, so I colored it black. And I just used regular black, you know, color, nothing special, but it maintained the luster, it maintained the shine, it maintained the curl, it maintained its lightness. It's like so light. It is so light. I've been using Treseme's Perfectly Undone conditioner, and I've also used the Aussie Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner. I actually like the Perfectly Undone better. It gives me more of the looser wave that I like. I like it kind of to be a little bushy, not extremely perfect. I did wand this a little bit in the front to blend with my natural hair, but I usually will just put my hair in 2-strand twists, and then I'll take it out in the morning. But since I'm doing this video at night, I didn't have time to do the 2-strand twist and that whole shebang. So I just decided to do it this way and keep it this way. If I had to think of any cons for this hair, I would say that the beards on the hair, that's the piece of hair that is like folded over when they sew the weft together, that the beards are kind of long. They're fairly longer than I would prefer. So, you know, when I had it sewn in, I did experience a little bit of tangling at the base of my hair, and I had to brush it out at least, you know, at least through the day. Like if I'm out or whatever, I would wear it and then I would brush it out maybe, you know, once or twice before I made it home. And that's not a lot. I mean, you have to kind of pay attention to your hair, brush it, comb it, do whatever it needs to be done. But, it wasn't a huge deal, the beards being long. When you put hair on a cap, that usually rectifies that problem. So I put it on the cap this time, and so far I haven't had any issues with any sort of tangle or mat at the base or at the root of the hair itself. I mean, it's just, it is just so, this hair is so pretty, y'all. I'm so happy. Like, girl, you don't even know. Like, hair, if you love doing hair, or if you love like just like, it's just, you know, it's something, it gives you some sort of joy in your heart when you have hair that just does what it's supposed to do, and it moves the way it's supposed to move, and it's just light and gorgeous, and just, you know, it moves you. It moves you. It's an experience. It's a movement to have hair that does this. So I'm so excited about Blushing Bundles. So guys, if you're looking for some good hair, good as in quality, good as in the customer service is awesome, great as in just the overall movement and behavior of the hair. I mean, this is just, like I said, it's already been 4 weeks, and you see me running my fingers through this wavy hair. It's like nothing. Like I got, this is probably 3 strands of hair. And I don't think that's a lot, because I actually, like I said, I made it into a U-part. I cut this hair at the top, especially at the top when I got to sewing down the wefts as flat as I possibly could. I cut this hair, and it has not, it's not shedding anything more than what my natural hair would shed. So it's not a big deal to me, but I really like it. I really like the company. I really like their customer service. They were on top of any issues that I had, and I really appreciate that. Customer service to me makes or breaks a company. I don't care how beautiful your hair is. If your customer service sucks, I'm not going to purchase from you again. The way you treat people is important. So not only are you trying to grow your business, but you're trying to build your reputation, and you know, you want people to get a good product when they come to you. Regardless of whatever it is that you're trying to sell. So I appreciate Blushing Bundles for having really great customer service and taking the initiative to compensate me when things didn't go as smoothly as they were planned to go. So yeah, girls, if you are looking for some raw hair that is affordable, check out Blushing Bundles. Sorry, I ain't got no offer code or nothing like that for y'all, but they always have, you know, promotions and stuff on their Instagram. So follow them on Instagram. They're just Blushing Bundles, and check out their website. It's blushingbundles.com. And hopefully you guys will experience what I'm experiencing. Take care. I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.